All right, welcome back, everybody. Time now for the Allrecipes Cooking Challenge.
Today, we're making something delicious you won't feel guilty about later. It's really trending on the internet. It's the 90-second keto bread, and we want to start the clock now.
Start the clock now.
All right, I've been doing this. Our associate producer,
I'm
okay?
obsessed with the time.
Okay.
Sorry.
You have to look at me.
Sorry.
All right, our associate producer, Sarah, has been doing the keto plan, and she's amazing. She just lost a lot of weight.
Yep.
But she told me about the keto bread, and I'm like, I could do that 90 seconds
90
in the morning.
seconds, that's all we got.
And it fills you up because we're making it with almond flour, a little bit of butter, an egg and baking powder, and a little bit of salt. We're gonna put everything in here.
Let's do it.
And then stick it in the microwave. So let's start with
1 tablespoon of butter.
Now, normally, if you make it at home, I like to put it in a mug or a ramekin, and you just microwave that for 15 seconds to melt it. But they've already done it for us, so here we go. And then we're gonna do almond flour. It's 1/3 cup of almond flour.
Blanched almond flour. And it's Blanche Devereaux's almond flour from the Golden Girls. Thank you. That's good. That's right.
It should have just a smidge more. I'm trying to be exact. I feel like baking has to be exact.
All right, here we go.
All right, I'm gonna do some for me now.
1 egg.
Do you remember when you and I, with the morning shows, and we would make microwave eggs in the morning?
Yeah, I still do. I make microwave eggs just
so it's kind of the same thing. You know, you can do this egg in here too, but we're gonna add the egg now. Just 1 egg.
1 egg. Okay.
And
1/2 teaspoon of baking powder.
okay, here's a 1/2 teaspoon, and here's the baking powder. And that's the salt. Nope, just maybe grab some salt from the cabinet.
Salt.
It's kind of optional, but a pinch of salt.
Okay.
All right. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. You want me to put yours in there for you?
How about garlic powder instead?
You know, we don't have. Oh, there's salt. Use the shaker.
Where?
Just right there in front of you.
It says fennel seed. This is good television.
Here we go. Oh, that's empty.
I told you, you knucklehead.
Okay. Anyway, we'll live without the salt. Pinch of salt. Okay. Let's stir it up here.
Okay.
Just mix it up.
Mix it. You put the baking soda.
Everything's in there. Yep.
Everything's in there.
Now, we're gonna put this in the microwave.
All right.
I'm gonna do mine because I don't know what happens if we put 2 of them together. Maybe let us know on our Facebook page if you're doing this and if you've ever tried to make 2 at once. I do know that it's important to mix well, otherwise you get like little lumps of egg.
You only have 240 left. You better stick it in there.
There we go. 90 seconds. We're
Mine's
good.
much more smoother than yours is.
Well, there we go. 90 seconds.
90 seconds. All right. Very good.
And now, while we're waiting, you're mixing it. That's what it's gonna look like when you come out. You'll dump it out and cut it in half. And if you're doing keto and you're missing bread, then
what is the
keto is you're not having any regular bread. Like there's no flour. This is almonds, so you're basically having almonds, eggs, and butter.
Okay, so no wheat, no flour, no nothing like that.
Your only carbs are coming from vegetables.
So I can't have my bowl of cereal in the morning.
Not if you're on keto. But so if you're missing bread,
that's too bad.
So we have some comments here. This is for later. You could sweeten it. I don't think if you're on keto, you would sweeten it with this kind of maple syrup.
I don't think so either.
You can add a little. I was out of butter yesterday, so I made it with coconut oil. It came out delicious. I also add a 1/2 teaspoon of Truvia, an 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and stir in a 1/4 cup of blueberries. So you can make this like a muffin too.
Tina Dawn sent that in. Thank you so much. We appreciate that. All right, you can stir in blueberries. You can stir in anything you want, right?
Yeah, you can
make
do
it as long as they're
right. I mean, if you're doing keto, then you're probably not stirring in a lot of sugar. So we're almost done, right? It's 20 seconds, and then we'll put yours in and see if you like it. Let me just get a knife ready because
mine is so smooth.
I'm gonna get a little knife action.
It looks like oatmeal, like cornmeal. That's what it looks like, cornmeal.
So I wasn't sure what to think of this, and when I saw people in our newsroom are doing it, I thought, well, that's a 90-second breakfast. I could have warm bread.
The bells, the beeping. Either a truck's backing up or Kara's bread is ready. Okay, here we go.
All right, ready? Gonna dump it on the plate. There we go. Oh. And then it's kind of hot right now, okay?
I can just imagine.
Hey, it's gonna look like a little English
You know what?
muffin.
It doesn't look too far off from the photo.
No, it's pretty, I just squished it a little bit when I was cutting so quick. But do you want to try it?
Yeah.
I like to put a little almond butter and honey on it. Let me get you some honey. I feel like it's better with a little something on it.
It tastes like,
You know what's really good on it, and only it won't be keto?
it tastes like scrambled eggs.
No, it tastes like bread.
I'm just gonna put Nutella on it.
If you put a little Nutella on it.
You've totally cheated.
That's good.
It's not bad. All right. We did it.
I mean, we'll make yours next because 90 seconds. You can have yours.
Exactly, and I can't wait to make my own. Have a great day, everybody.